Hey, hi there. It's been a while. I've uploaded some cool videos and funny videos, and the thing is I've been lazy, and just recently I tried to clean the back part of this playroom that I have, the man cave, where I put all my stuff here. And also, just that I look at them old videos, they're really crappy. I'm trying to edit them, upload them, but anyway, even if they're crappy and newbie, I don't know, I'm still gonna upload them because some of them have stories. But the thing is, yeah, I've been trying to film a lot of videos this week, but the thing is, I can't form a story out of it because it's just like I take videos and then later on I take photos and then there's no story around it. I can't post it. But anyway, I'll post one video which is from Valentine's Day, which is crappy, like really crappy. I tried my very best to make it crappy. No, I tried to my very best to do videos, and then I didn't really care. I used my RX 100, which I am not a Sony fanboy, so it was hard for me. Anyway, yeah, I'll try to upload that, and also I've set up my lighting here for my playroom. That way it's gonna look cool. I have a big soft, this is not a soft box, big umbrella. Yeah, umbrella, reverse umbrella here on this side here, and I have the ice light on the other side just to put a bit of light here, and then yellow light here, which is not that strong. I might put a gel on it, or I don't know. And it's reflecting on the background, so like being OCD, you can't set up your room right away and you can't just put on videos and vlog. But anyway, this afternoon I was having lunch with Dawn and John, and yeah, come to think, I need to up my video posts, and yeah, I'm looking into getting those guys to help me. John, Dawn, Jan also. Oh, Aldine, you can help me also. We have a lot of behind the scenes. But anyway, I'll try to organize all my videos, try to make them better, and try to post a lot of them in the next few days. But it's tough because I still have other things to do, and I still have work and a lot of shit. Anyway, my lighting setup, I want to show it to you now, but I'm so lazy to take the camera off there and then show it around because the place is a bit dirty. I'm just trying to film the cleaner part of the place, but yeah, just to let you imagine this big light from here and this small light that looks like this from here. I think I broke it. And then this small light from this side of the room. So yeah, that's how my lighting works, and I hope it's good. Tell me about it. Anyway, go back to editing, and I might clean the dishes. Oh, one more thing. I seem to like this shirt because it's comfy and it's good, and especially when it's summer, it's really good. But the thing is, I've been wearing this on my Perth and all other trips, but the washer ate this. You can see has a hole. I still wear it. I love it. I'm weird. Gotta go.